Let's get a little cold start going. I hope it actually isn't, as weird as it sounds, I hope it's actually not this loud once I get the new exhaust on. As you guys can tell, I kind of fucked up. I forgot to put my car back in the storage unit and it rained, so I have to actually drive my car with the R888s in the rain. This is going to be the first time I'm actually doing this, and I haven't even had the car and these wheels and tires set up for like a week, so this should be fun. I'm actually need to go to the storage unit right now to go pick up my old set of wheels and then go sell those, and then some other people are coming to pick up the stock trunk as well as the springs. So everything I took off the car is already sold, which is awesome. So when I get on the road, we'll pick this up. Gotta head up to the storage unit. Let's see how these R888s handle in the rain. Hopefully it's not too bad, but yeah, let's go. I mean, honestly, so far so good. It ain't that bad. I'm like cruising going like 35, something like that. It ain't bad. Hold on. Like it really ain't that bad. Obviously, like the tires are so sticky, it's picking up like everything that's on the road. I don't know if you guys can hear that now, but the wicked road noise is back. Honestly, I do love the way the R888 sound, you know, on the ground. It really does sound really cool. It's like it's almost like a completely different driving experience when you have these tires on. It's almost like worth it in a way. I don't know. Like it just sounds awesome. But so far it's not that bad. Now, obviously, I'm not gonna do any like hard pulls because that would just be stupid. Number one, it's like completely wet. I'm in a residential, and on top of that, my clutch is literally on its way out. There's really no reason to do any of that dumb stuff. I might actually have to mount the GoPro on my head to like unload the wheels, and not technically unload, to load the wheels up. So hopefully the GoPro stays recording. It's kind of messed up that I literally have to like pray that this thing stays recording, because sometimes it just randomly turns off, which completely sucks. Kind of hit some traffic, damn it. It's like not even noon yet. Come on, come on, come on, come on. I'm actually really happy that all the stuff I took off sold already, because usually, well, I've actually had pretty good luck selling stuff as soon as I take it off. But this is the quickest I've sold wheels and tires. I sold my first set of wheels and tires. That took about, I think, maybe like a week or two to sell. This literally took like one day. Like I literally posted it up yesterday morning, and here we are the next day selling them. Yeah, I mean the R888s in the rain aren't that bad. It's just the road noise. And that's like, I don't really even care about the road noise. Like I like the road noise. I think it sounds pretty cool. Sounds like a jet on a D-cell. Where are you going, bro? Get the fuck off the road. You gotta love people like that who cannot drive. Like, bro, are you even looking both ways? Like, come on, dude. Like, I don't get people like that. They just drive. Like, hey, I go now. I own the road. Nobody's on here but me. I don't get it. And they always like, those people are always in like SUVs. Like, it don't make no sense. Like, if you drive an SUV and you drive like that, bro, who gave you your license? Seriously. Especially like on a one-way road, like, bruh, you're tripping. Stuck behind this truck. Shit. Honestly, I can't wait to get my camera too, because quality of the videos would be a lot better, and ironically it'll be a lot easier to record these videos because I don't have to be thinking, oh shit, is my GoPro still recording? I'll only use the GoPro when I do like the POV driving videos, the Mexico trips. So I think it'll kind of also kind of get me into that vlog mentality, because I'm not really into that vlog mentality yet. Like, this is still like very, very, very new to me. So kind of vlogging shit that normally I would just go ahead and take care of without thinking about vlogging. I mean, yeah, these R888s in the rain aren't that bad. Usually people say like you can't drive at all in the rain with these, but I mean the ground is still wet. You guys can see it's really not that bad. Obviously probably going over 60 would be fucking crazy, but I ain't going over 60. But like regular driving, commuting, this is like what people do every single day to work. So if you guys are wondering if you can daily R888s in the rain, regular driving, city driving, quote unquote city driving, like what I'm doing right now, stop and go, going through the gears, downshifting, upshifting, I say you could probably do it if you're careful and you take your time and you're not in a rush. Alright, I'm gonna pick up this vlog when I'm in the storage unit, loading up the wheels, all that good stuff. So yeah, catch you guys in a second. Alright, well, here they are. It's gotta be cleaned up, but honestly, I'm gonna kind of miss these. These are the first wheels that I actually liked. Not bad, not bad. 17x8 plus 40. Just gonna have to load these up real quick. Ugh. Oh boy. Okay, this is gonna be fun. Oh, the wind. Oh, this is tight as fuck. Oh my god, this is so tight. Hold on. Let me go ahead and adjust this real quick, because this is so tight. It's gonna be so awkward to drive. Hell no. Alright, this is much better. I literally was like packed in like a can of sardines in this car. Excuse that beeping, it's gonna make that noise because I have some like probably, what, 19-pound wheels with like, what, a 20-pound tire or something like that. How much these Michelin Pilot Sport S weigh. Whew. Gotta go to the meetup spot, get rid of these wheels, and then, oh man, I think I'm done for the day as far as errands goes. I think might not be, but we'll see. Yeah, but these Pilot Sport 4S's are not bad, or not Pilot Sport 4S's. These R888s ain't bad in the rain at all. Not bad at all. Like daily driving, I mean, I could definitely do this if I wanted to. Only thing I'd probably be concerned with is the tread wear. Yes, and also, I know I'm gonna get this in the comments of this video. Yes, I am gonna go ahead and get an alignment, because now that I have the new wheels and tires, it makes sense to go get it. The steering wheel will no longer be crooked. I just haven't had time to do it since I got everything completed. probably gonna pick up the vlog. Damn, so it sounds so weird to say that. I'm probably gonna pick up the vlog after I go ahead and sell these wheels. It's gonna respect this guy's privacy. I'm not too sure if he wants to be on camera. Probably not, because if I was selling some shit or I was picking up some stuff, I probably wouldn't want to be on camera. So I'll pick this up when this is all done. All right, well, the deed is done. Bread has been acquired. I'd say it's been a pretty successful day so far.